All right, hey guys, Christopher Medina here. We're gonna go ahead and do a test for Mr. Wonkin here. So let's just go over kind of what we go through here at Virtual Hearing. So headphones here and here. Okay, is that okay?
Yeah.
Yep. All right, perfect. All right, guys. So now we're getting into the speech part. So we're gonna get the SRT, which is the speech reception threshold. That's the softest you can understand speech, and then from that we raise it 40 dB and get your word discrimination. That's trying to see how many words you get correct to get a certain percentage to see how good your word discrimination is. So, felt, stove, hunt, ran, knee, not, knew, low. All right, guys, so that's kind of the quick rundown of what we do: pure tone, bone conduction, word discrimination, SRTs. If you guys have any questions, post down below, and I'm happy to get back to you. Take care.